That's the 3 best images we got on the Photoshop. I've already created clip and path, so let's drag and drop all 3 files into one and put them into a group. I want to start with creating a nice background for our image. Okay, the bottle goes to the center. Okay, cool. Double click on the mask to add some feather so it wouldn't be too sharp on the edge. Okay, background. I think I'm gonna go with standard Heineken green background. I think green from the bottle should fit. Okay, there. Maybe a bit too dark. Yeah, that would be better. Okay. Now we need a light behind the bottle. Something lighter. That should be okay. Brush. And let's draw some light. It should look like light from behind that also reflects in the surface. So we need to copy this light and it'll go somewhere here under the bottle. Alright. I see some edges. Now it's better. Okay, so how do we make it look real? I think we need to make a quick reflection just to have an idea how it looks. Set some opacity probably to, let's make it 90%. Okay, great. And the slide at the center. It doesn't have to be a circle. Could be a little higher. And I want it goes dark to the sides. So let's draw some black, really dark areas around. Probably it would be a good idea to make it multiply. Okay, so now it starts It is starting to look like something. Almost great. Free transform, and here's a great tool called warp. Sometimes it's really useful. This light spot doesn't fit the perspective. Should be a bit more flat on the top of it. Yeah, now much better. Okay. Yeah, by the way, let's save the file. And make it a bit darker on the sides. Yeah, that looks awesome. So it goes to group, and that would be background. Now the bottle. I'm not sure I would need this picture. I think those two would be enough with the reflex on the left side of the bottle and on the right side. Let's align them. Okay. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, so what would be the best way to compose two of those images into one? I guess that would be linear dodge. Yeah, let's start lead. Nice. I think it could be more contrast for sure. So I wanna change blending mode of the folder of the group to normal, so none of the layers like curves or hue saturation or anything would affect layers outside the group. And since the bottle is standing on green background, I think those reflexes are a bit too, black and white. So I think we can remove some red from the image and add some green into it, maybe a bit blue. No, it's better when it's less blue there. Okay, that's better. And we definitely don't need those light areas on the edge of the bottle, so I'm just gonna draw some dark areas there, and that should be fine. Pick a color, dark color, from somewhere close to the side, to the edge of the bottle. Okay, that's it. And the same goes for those little reflexes. Yeah, that's better. Okay, what next? I'm gonna need to clean the bottle a bit, like this area over there, and maybe those numbers, but that will be the last step after I do all color correction and merge layers. Let's try to change opacity a bit. I feel like the right side may be a bit too bright. Okay. Okay, let's anyway copy the files. So we will still have those copies. No, it doesn't look right. No, it looks awful. Let's get back. There's no way back. Okay, delete it. So maybe it will help just to copy this area, put it over there, put a mask on it, and erase it a bit. Still looks too dirty. Okay, that's better. Okay, so let's match colors between background and bottle. Alrighty. Maybe it could be a little brighter spot behind the bottle. Let's try to copy the layer, fill it with white, set probably overlay, blending mode, and make it a bit smaller. Yeah, I think it will work. Looks pretty good. Okay, great. Let's stop with the bottle and work on reflection. There's a great instrument, the great tool in Photoshop. Let me show you. So copy the folder, copy the group, merge all layers, apply the mask, flip, and then I'm gonna use transform, warp one more time. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to filters and probably field blur. I want the surface where the bottle is standing would be like semi-glossy plastic, so the reflection should be sharp on the edge and blurry outside. So it further from the bottle is blurry. Okay, apply. And reflection goes here. There is a problem, errors. I'm not sure how to get rid of it, so let's actually went a few steps back and probably copy the background, merge it, and merge with the reflection. And then reapply the same filter. Okay, that's better. Okay, great. Now my favorite way to add some contrast: channel mixer, monochrome, overlay blended mode, and some opacity. And some curves to make it a bit brighter. Not too much. Okay. So what would be, yeah, the last step is to copy background, merge it, and we need to add some noise to it so it wouldn't look so unnatural. Yeah, this is way better than this. So yeah, I think that would be all. Looks like I like everything I see. Yeah, good. Let's work on the next image.